What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bella J, and it is day 25 of the 30-day sewing challenge. And as I said yesterday, I was gonna pick up some scraps and we're gonna cut it up, and I already did. And these were the scraps that I got from Candy's Quilting. I will post a video down below or in an iCard so you can watch it and see what I bought from there and how the store looked. And you know, it's not for everybody. The store is a tad bit pricey, but you have to understand where the location is at, and they're still growing. It's not something that's been open 10 years. They have to grow into their own. So I do recommend everybody going to visit the store one time, show the owner some love and the staff, and I had a great time. I was excited. Would I have wanted more fabric? Yes. I definitely would have wanted more fabric because I think that there's a lot more space for it. But you can get fat quarters in different sizes, as well as, you know, yardages of yarn. And I believe their least inexpensive is maybe, I'm pushing it, $9 is their least. So it's a high-end boutique. That's the way I'm gonna think about it. It's a high-end boutique, and that's the only one that's in that area around 23rd Street and 6th Avenue, between 6th and 7th, somewhere in that area. I believe so. Anywho, I'm gonna post the link to that video. So let's get to showing. Let's get to sewing, shall we? If you're a little apprehensive of using needles, there are fabric clips that you can utilize. So I will unclip mine. I bought them from Candy's Quilting for $5.95. You can go online and find it yourself, but these were not too bad at all. And you just take it and you hold the clips. You hold it together instead of using a needle. They're weighty, so it will definitely keep your projects together. this is what we have. I just have to sew the seam down, which I'm not going to do because the thread came out. And I am just done right now. I can't believe it. But we have a little over 7 inches. See that? A little past the 7 mark. I think that's great. I think that's really nice. Look at the colors. Weird, of course, but look at the vibrancy and the, let me explain to you something. Boutique yarn, boutique fabric. This is not, no offense to the low-key shops. This is pure cotton. The boutiques, everything, the feel of it is so different. It shows quality, and I love that. If I have to check the Save-A-Thon in Queens, the one in Brooklyn, Avenue T near Kings Plaza, they have, I saw colorful fabric, so I'm going to insert the picture right now, and you'll see from there. But this is nice. And we're going to continue on with this. So this is going to be the pop. This is going to be another pop of, whoa, where did you get that from? Whoa, what is that? Whoa. So with that being said, thank you so much for joining me on day 25. I know it's nothing major, but this is my newest fabric, and it's oh so awesome and touchy-feely and so special. Here we go. See y'all tomorrow.